Welcome everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Namo and you are watching Vocabulary Practice with Namo. Today in a video I am just going to talk about that how can you learn English speaking. In this video I just try to motivate you. Today I am not making any script. I am just trying to improvise myself and I really mention in this video everything that can motivate you towards learning English speaking. First of all, I just want to tell you to, it's a 30 days English speaking practice day 20, and in this video I just try to help you that how can you overcome the fear that you can't learn English speaking. First of all, I just want to tell you that if you really want that you can learn English speaking, you have to believe in yourself. Yeah, that's right. This is the most important and crucial point. If you really want to learn English speaking, you have to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself that you can capable of learning English speaking, you can't do anything. Whatever the process you adopt, if you not believe yourself that one day you will definitely can speak in English, you can't able to learn English speaking. So just remember one thing, if you really want to learn English speaking, you have to believe in yourself. Nothing is impossible. Even the word impossible already tell us I am possible. Means word also telling us that everything is possible. But it depends upon you that how much time you give it to yourself and how much time you feel that you can capable of learning English speaking. So just remember one thing, you have to believe in yourself. Second thing that I really want to mention in this video, that don't fear of making mistake. I just want to tell you, if you really want to improve every single day, you don't need to fear that if I am speaking English, if I am using a wrong word while speaking in English, it is not good for me. No, every steps, every mistake you did in the process of learning English speaking can make you a better person every single day. But what you have to do, you just need to overcome your mistake. Means that if you are mistake anything, if you are using a wrong vocabulary word again and again, you just need to observe that in which place you are mistaking. Okay, but you have to remember that while you are speaking in English again, you just remember that you don't need to use that mistake again, you don't need to do that mistake again. That is your win, and I really want that you can learn anything. You can learn anything. Not I am talking about only English. You can achieve anything, but it's your choice, it's your opinion that how can you handle that. You can overcome your fear, or you can feel so much stress for learning English speaking. Third thing, just I really want to mention that you just need to be honest with you. I just want to tell you, means if you are thinking that you have to learn English speaking, you really want to be fluent in English, you have to be honest from yourself that I will definitely practice English speaking. I will definitely be consistent to learn English speaking. I am not going to take any pauses. I am not going to take any skip because I really want to do it. I am not a person that can give excuses every single day. I just want to learn English speaking. I really want to prove everyone wrong that I am not capable of learning English speaking. That is the only way you can achieve. You just need to be honest with you, and that is really, really very important. Fourth point I really want to mention in this video, that if you take any process, if you are follow any process, you have to be consistent, but you have to test yourself that really you are doing the right way or not, because that is really, really important. If you are practicing English speaking, you just need to record your voice and you have to try to listen your voice, that in which place you are doing any mistake and you have to overcome. So just try to understand, you just need to test yourself. That really help you to improve your English speaking, because if you can observe, if you can understand in which place you are doing any mistake, and the next time you are not going to repeat that mistake, that will really help you a lot. And I really want to tell you one more thing, try to improvise yourself also. If I am standing in front of you and I am speaking without making any script, without making any notes, is just because of I am practicing English speaking every single day. I have learned, I have listened so much English content every single day. I am listening podcast, I am watching interviews, I am reading books every single day. Whatever I really want to make a video or not, but my process is the same, that I have to improve myself every single day. I don't want that someone can ask me, someone can tell me that you are not capable. So I really want to improve myself. If I am can't capable to speak in English, how can I feel that I really want to make you that you can also learn English speaking? If I am not a person that can speak in English fluently, how can I tell you? Because if I am not improving, how can I believe that you can improve? So I just want to tell you, you just need to remember this point, and this point really help you a lot. Just try to believe in yourself, and this is the motivational video. I really want that every listener, every viewers who are watching me, just try to understand that you can do it anything. But the purpose is your honesty is really important. I just want to tell you, if you really want to achieve anything and you are honest with you, all universe can conspire you to make achieve of anything. But there is only one way, if you are really responsible and honest towards learning English speaking, and that is really really important. And I really want to mention, if you feel that the word I am spoken in front of you is really a worth for you, just give a like and also subscribe my channel if you are new. And I really want that every listener who are watching me can learn English speaking, and all the best for everyone. That's it for this video. Do take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.